आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Which of the following statements are true regarding the expression fx is equal to x square minus 6x plus 11? So know that this is a graph which is opening downwards. Okay, which is opening upwards, sorry. Because the leading statement, the first expression, the leading coefficient is positive. So whenever it's positive leading coefficient, the graph will open upwards. So we differentiate this to find the minima, which will be the lowest point on the graph, and at the corresponding value will be the minimum value in the whole expression. So we differentiate it, so it becomes 2x minus 3x square. On differentiating becomes 2x minus 6x becomes 6, so we get x is equal to 3. So at x is equal to 3 we find out the value, we get the value is equal to 2. So the statement says 11 is not the least value, the least value is 2. Now we have to check for the second statement. Now the equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. For it to have positive roots, and now why are we asking for positive roots? Let us understand that, because this is the graph of the expression. If the graph will have positive roots if it intersects the axis. Now if it intersects the axis, it will, if it intersects the axis, the graph will be something like this, or it can be like this. So it is saying that it should only have positive values, should forget about intersecting, it should not even touch the x-axis. For not touching the x-axis, it should not have real roots, because if it has real roots, the value will be 0 at some point, and we will get corresponding value of x for that. So the condition for that is b square minus 4ac, actually not ac, b square minus 4ac should be greater than equal to 0. We have b square is equal to 36, so we find 36 minus a is equal to 11, and c is 44. So b square minus 36 is negative, so this is less than 0. So the second expression is true, we do not have any real value of x. And so correspondingly we found out if there are no real values of x, it will not intersect it at any point. The values will always be positive, the minimum value will also be positive, and the roots will not be real, they will be imaginary, because if the roots are real, we'll have some negative value, or at least a 0 value for the expression. So only option 2 is correct. Only option 2 is correct. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।